Next is this one, which is a holiday kind of explanation. So they, at Zurich it is, I lived nearby again. I lived at such a lot of places, and really, when you go there, you will have to go to, as they say somewhere here, to the train station Zurich, and then you need to go to Oerlikon. And I lived in Zurich as well as 10 kilometers off at Oerlikon, and then it's just 10 minutes to walk, it says. I lived there. The 5 minutes it is actually. You have to walk down to the place where you have this hall. I was standing around a lot waiting for the tram and walking downwards, passing this one to go to the swimming pool as well. So here it is about holidays, and they tell you that with the nomads you can be, Mongolia they kind of feature, and then golfing. So it's like golfing, yeah. Yeah, I don't know why. Yeah. Why would they promote? Well, it's the guest country is Mongolia. So that's, I would love to go to Mongolia, by the way, and ride a horse there and just be in this kind of environment, which looks lovely. Riding a horse there would be so nice. But not in a guided whatever tour. I would just take a flight to Ulaanbaatar, I guess it is, and then I would take the train, and then I would take a horse. So we're through this one.